No, 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 no.
Hi guys, this is Carol. Welcome back to my channel. And if you haven't done so just yet, please like and subscribe and share with a friend. Recently, I put up a few hand filing videos and I decided to do a hand filing position, and towards the end, there is some e-filing positions as well, how I hold my hand file and the results I'm looking for. And I just decided to share with you, when you master hand filing, what your work looks like. You can tell right away you're on track. All the nails are looking sharp. And yeah, that's what I look for when I'm hand filing. So I just decided to share that with you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay? On each and every finger, I'm looking for a sharp, defined line. And yep. And now after that hand filing, I went in and did some e-filing. And yeah, totally enjoyed the experience. And I hope you guys enjoy looking at this. And if you're having trouble with hand filing or even e-filing, I'm here for you. Enjoy. Yes, and on this particular set, here comes the reveal. I absolutely enjoyed screenshotting this from the original video for you guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.